Alright, what's up everybody out there? It's your boy, PSP Guru 123. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to change the cover, the front cover, this, of your PSP, and put it on a different PSP. Now, before I start this, I'm just going to say I'm not responsible for any damage done whatsoever to your PSP. I mean, usually there are, but things can go wrong if you do not follow my procedures correctly. With all said, let's get started. Now, what you want to do, first of all, is take out all the screws, and I'm going to pinpoint all of them out to you. These two on the top right here. That little one on the bottom. That one right there. Sorry for the video quality. I'm recording with my Droid X. Anyway, that one right there. And some of y'all might not see it because this sticker is covering it. And if you want to warranty, you should keep this sticker on. And this video is not for you. But, yeah, if you don't, just go ahead, pull it off, take out the screw. This will void your warranty. Just letting you all know. And you will want to take that one out and that one out. Now, yes, there is deep holes. That's because I prefer to use a knife. I don't know. It was just a quicker resource that was around, and it was easier than buying a screwdriver. But yeah, that's just what I think. That's just how I do. Yeah, y'all can go ahead and buy one of them China screwdrivers. But once you have this taken off, your PSP will look like this. Yes, this is my blue PSP 2000, and this is my PlayStation 3000, PSP 3000. But anyway, once you have all the nails taken off, what you're going to want to do is just slightly pull the cover off. See how easy that was once you have it all off? Now, I don't know about you guys, but I like to get fancy. You know, take the buttons with me. You know, let me see. Where'd it go at? Oh, here you go. Sorry, it popped over there. Yeah, let's take that off. Put this over here. No, this did have a blue analog stick at first, but I like to get creative and mix up the colors, you know. That's just what I do. Now, both of the PSPs look similar. As you can see. Now, what you want to do, take the cover. I don't know if it's messy or not out there with Charles, but I prefer to wipe this off, so I'm going to go and wipe this off, and I'll come back. So let me stop this video. Now that we've cleaned our PSP screen off, we're just going to set it down, make sure it fits properly. Hold on. You just tack around, make sure everything's good. Yeah, now you have your new cover. Now to complete this, you will have to put all the screws back on. And so, hold on, let me see, where can I set this? I guess I'll just set this right up in there. See, I have all the screws posted in this box so I cannot lose them. And now, the same way you took the screws off, you put the screws right back on, and your PSP should be done. Now, it's too long. Well, I have no camera stand for my phone. It's too long for the process, so when I screw it back in, I'll show you guys the outcoming process. Now I'm back, and everything's screwed up to my now black and blue PSP. Yep. We saw all the screws are in, tighten them properly. Screen wiped off, and here's my old black PSP, which I was just putting in this comfy made spec with the screen. Yep, each memory card. If you would like to buy the screen, memory card, or this system for any spare parts, hit me up at the email given in the description. So, yeah, that's about it. There's my new face cover. Hold on, it's there. Let me plug it up. And now to turn it on. And yeah, there it goes. And if many of you are wondering how I got this, it's because my PSP, it is hacked into. And check out my new next video description on how to get custom, custom themes with custom firmware will be needed. And to get custom firmware, check out my other videos. Subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and yeah, I'm out. Hope you guys enjoy.